Okay. Oops. Lost all our speed. Ooh. Hey, yeah. Oh, thanks. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. This is a very slippy bit, and the ruts tend to tell the wheels where to go. Whoa. Pedal swiped off a lot there, and kind of a drops away. Oh Jesus! Don't look at the scary pointy rocks. And a bit uphill. Keep it going. Wrong gear. Let's go up one. Up one gear. On. Keep going. Come on. Oh, you do. Oh, man. Sleep. Okay. Down bumpy. And keep the momentum. This is a tricky bit. Ooh. Oh man. Hoppa. Come on. And across to the right. Trails cross. Up. Oh no. Foot down. Keep going. And a bit downhill. Get the feet on the pedals again. Heels dug in. Whoa. Whoa. Oh Jesus. Sorry, front wheel. Up. Nice. And now up there again. Killer. Short though. And then across. Down. And up. Up. Flat down. Heels dig in. Come on. Oh, bumpy. Down. Front wheel tends to dive down into the gas. Woo! Turn. Come on. Wide here and then switch back. That's really tricky. Please get through that. Up. Oh. Got there. Horns I see. Now really bumpy again. Front arms. I'm sorry in the bumps. Up. Over there. Left hand side of that rock. Otherwise, you case. That route on the right was catching me a few weeks ago. Multiple times. Woo! Now, heels digging. Last steep bit. Still digging. Oh shit. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Watch the language. Come on. Yes. Oh! Saddle up. Oh god. Gears. Steep uphill. Up. Oh, so steep. Well. Okay. Jacket off, maybe. Catch your breath. Deep breath. So, and how's the back wheel We got a puncture earlier today on Ripride, and puncture is actually this side, just about here. Yeah, I don't know, can you see a bit of the plug just coming out, some of the white fluid. Joe's Eco tubeless tire fluid. There's kind of a lovely green colour going in. Okay, that's it.